Say, holiday!
Holiday!
But wait, where's...
No holiday. Sammy?
It seems Sammy isn't as excited as everyone else.
No holiday. Bye-bye. But holidays are fun, Sammy.
Mr. Bunny is getting ready to go on holiday.
Oh, I have an idea. Oh, Mr. Bunny, do you know a holiday song?
Bunny? On holiday, it's fun all day. Let's go, Sammy. What do you say? Oh!
Mama, you packed the passports, didn't you?
I thought you had them. We won't get far if we don't have passports. Maya, can you help Sammy pack?
Yes, Mama. I like packing.
Better find those passports, Mama and Dadda go.
Mr. Bunny, bedtime blanket, and you'll need this for the sun.
Nice hat, Sammy go.
There, all packed and ready for holidays. No digger. Oh. Digger has to be here somewhere.
Uh-oh, no sign of Digger anywhere.
Sammy, I can't find Digger. No digger, no holiday. You don't want to go on holiday?
Passports, check. Ready to go.
Sammy, stay.
Oh, dear. That's a shame. You've never been away before. And neither has... Digger. I think he was looking forward to it. See? Digger was so excited to go, he even packed himself away in my suitcase.
Digger! I think Digger would make great sandcastles at the beach. Maybe Digger would like splashing in the sea like you do. Splashy! But I think Digger would be very lonely in holidays if you stayed at home. Who would he play with?
Who would Digger share his holiday ice cream with?
Me! My cream!
I think Sammy go likes ice cream almost as much as I do.
Stand back, everyone! I'll have the fire out in no time. Oh, where is the fire?
No fire, but Doggy Go and Auntie Help are stuck in the pool. The ladder is too short.
I see. A good thing I brought mine, then. Commencing Operation Doggy Rescue. Now let's get you out of here.
Thank you, Mama Help.
Don't mention it. I'm always happy to help. I'll be off then. Better get this pool filled then, so you can all have your swim.
Yay!
This may take a while.
Aww.
Maybe we should come back tomorrow.
Oh, no.
Time for Mama Help to head back to the station.
Toodaloo.
I think Maya has spotted something.
Wait, Mama Help. I think we might need your help again.
Is there a fire? Cat in a tree? Earthquake?
No, I was wondering, could we use your big fire engine hose to fill the pool?
Now, why didn't I think of that? That's a great idea, Maya Go. Hold on tight, everyone.
Here we go. Whoa!
That should do it.
Swim now?
Absolutely. The pool is officially open for swimming.
How exciting! And remember, no splashing. Oh dear, I spoke too soon.
Splash!
I never leave home without my swimsuit. Oops, I forgot. No splashing.
Aww.
Well, maybe just this once.
Ooh, I can't wait to get to the playground. We're going to build the biggest and bestest sandcastle ever. Oof. What's wrong, Mama? Why aren't we going in?
The playground looks sort of, well, closed.
Hi, Henry Fix. What's happened to the playground?
Oh, I'm dreadfully sorry, everyone. The playground needs fixing.
Oh, no! What's wrong with it?
Well, I'm afraid that the sandbox needs refilling, the seesaw needs rebalancing, and the slide needs a good polish.
Oh, no. We really wanted to play. Okay, everyone, stop wanting to play. Looks like it's home time. Do we really have to go home? We only just arrived.
Of course not. We have the whole rest of the park to explore.
I don't think we'll find anything as fun as the playground, though.
Don't worry, I'll have this place fixed before you can say, toolbox. Ooh, that reminds me, where did I leave my toolbox?
Mayago and her friends are exploring the rest of the park.
What is this place, Mama Go?
A running track. This is where athletes come to race each other.
Look at this, an enormous sand pit. It looks perfect for making sandcastles. Yay! Sandcastles!
Ooh, that sand looks like a lot of fun.
You'll have a giant castle built in no time.
Yay! This is the biggest sandcastle I've ever seen.
Oh, no!
It looks like Maya and her friends have built their sandcastle right in the middle of the long jump sand.
Look out!
Long jump, long jump. I love to do the long jump.
Oh, no! Miss Coach doesn't see our sandcastle. Stop, Miss Coach! Stop!
Oh, come on, Miss Coach. Time for an extra long jump.
Oh, that was a close one.
Wow!
I wonder how Mamago and Sammy are getting on. Since when has your mouth been a basket, Sammy?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
At least someone's doing it properly. Oh, not you as well, Mamago.
Right. Time to finish before the sprinklers turn on to water the strawberries.
Oh, that's not supposed to happen.
Quick, everyone! Run before we get very wet.
Oh, dear. I must get Henry Fix over to take a look at those sprinklers. Thank you, Maisie Grove, for letting us pick the strawberries. Now, how did everyone get on?
Oh, I didn't get that many. Me neither. But I found loads.
We all did, but I'm afraid we ate more than we picked.
Nobody told me we could eat the strawberries. Do we have enough for Dada to make his jam?
I don't think so. We'll have to tell him the bad news. Come on, everyone.
Cheeky, Tommy, stop. We're back at Maya's house now with a lot of empty strawberry baskets.
Hello, everyone. How was the strawberry picking?
Yummy and tummy.
Yes, I'm afraid we have something to tell you.
We're sorry, Dada, but we ate most of the strawberries we picked. Except me. I collected all of mine. But the rest of us didn't. And now we don't have enough for you to make your lovely jam. Huh? Aren't you upset?
Oh, not at all. You're meant to eat them. That's what strawberry picking is all about.
But you don't have strawberries for your jam now.
That is true. But we do have raspberries. This hose is so tangled. I won't be able to water the vegetables with this.
But it's so sunny today, Grandpa. The vegetables need water.
One more loop. Oh,
Maybe we could use your watering can instead.
no good, Maya. It's broken.
There must be something else we can try.
There is. Why didn't I think of it before? We could dig a well.
Dig a well?
All we have to do is dig a hole in the right spot, and we can get water straight from the ground. No messy hose.
That's brilliant.
I might even be able to put in a sprinkler like I've always wanted. Come on, Maya. We need to find a good spot for digging our well.
How will you know where to dig, Grandpa?
Ah, look here. See how the grass gets darker? That means there's water underground here. Perfect for a new well.
Really?
Oh, yes. The grass never lies. I'll call Arthur Dig right away.
Arthur Dig arrives with his digger to sink Grandpa Go's well.
Right then, Grandpa Go. Where are we putting this well? Hello, Maya Go.
Grandpa Go says this is the spot.
Rightio. I'll get started.
Okay, stand back, everyone.
So, if you want to dig a hole, you just pull this lever, then this lever, and this one again, and then the digger goes... Whoa! Well, oil my bucket. I've hit water.
You did it, Arthur Dig.
Oh, I wonder who lives in this house. Hold on, that doesn't look like a house.
Oh, look, a boat. And it has a chimney. And washing. It's like a house.
It is a house. It's my house. Ahoy! If it isn't the Go family.
Skipper, I thought you lived at sea.
Well, I like to take a break from the seven seas and see what life on land is like.
But you're still on water.
So I am. Not much of a landlubber.
I've never seen a houseboat like this before.
Oh, it's quite something. It's got all the comforts of home packed into a tight space. Would you like a tour?
Yes, please.
All aboard, life jackets on, and follow me. We've got all the essentials, of course. Fridge, oven, TV,
Ooh.
bed, or dining table. Loo, and everything I need for my epic voyage.
What epic voyage?
I'm setting sail for the hills.
But Skipper, a boat can't go uphill.
Oh, can't it now? Well, if you'd like, I can show you how this magic canal can magically carry boats up hills. I think that's an aye-aye from us, Skipper. Anchors away, let's set course for the hills.
I think this is going to be an interesting adventure.
And we're off. Canal adventures, ahoy! Maya, you're on lookout duty.
Aye, aye, Skipper.
Keep your eyes peeled for the canal lock.
Oh, no! Skipper, the canal is closed up ahead.
Oh, let me have a look. Aha, well, that's the lock, and that's where we're headed. Lock ahoy! Full steam ahead!
Steady as she goes, Skipper McKipper.
This game is Recycle Race. We have to bring this box over to our bins, then separate the plastic, paper and cans so we can recycle them. But the box is heavy, so getting it there takes up lots of time, so the sorting takes even longer. Wait, Billy. It'll be easier to work together if we figure out what to do before we start. You're right, Maya. A good team needs a good plan. What can we do to finish the game quicker? Maybe we could lift the box together. Yeah, but we'd still have to sort out the rubbish. That's it. We sort the rubbish first. That way, we won't have to move the box. But then, how will we get it to the bins? Maybe with my wagon. We can load it up, then unload it over there. This is great. I should have figured this out ages ago. Let's try it. Ready, team?
The team's plan seems to be working. But will they break Billy Wynn's record?
Maya, you can bin the paper, Zoe can do plastic, and I'll do cans. Let's go! We're making great time. Everyone, unload your rubbish. We're almost done! Yay! Did we do it, Billy? Did we break the record? And in the final Bill-Olympics event, the team have smashed the recycle race record. Thanks, teammates. I'll be even better at my jobs now because of your help. Helping each other is the best job of all. You betcha.
How can I help you, Maya Go?
How do I get the bird foods from these barrels? That must be for the chickens, and that's for the ducks.
It's quite simple, Maya. Just pull this lever and the food comes out like so.
Wow, they really like their food.
Now you try, Maya.
Easy peasy. Now Maya can feed the chickens.
That chicken's all on his own, Terry. If he stays over there, he won't get anything.
Not to worry. If he's hungry, he'll come to the food.
I knew you were hungry.
Rusty!
That's Dada shouting.
You're right. Let's go see what he's up to.
Oh, come on, Rusty.
What's going on, Dada?
I can't get Rusty in for his food. Maisie's right. He's very naughty.
No problem. I also drive cattle. We'll get behind them, wound them up, and shoo them up the field. Now, the secret to driving cattle is not to make any sudden move.
Looks like Terry Drive is right.
Right, okay, let's try again. This time, we'll split up. I'll go right and you go left. Right?
I thought I was going left.
Right.
Oof!
Whoops! Let's see if Dadago and Terry Drive can get Rusty going the right way this time. Oh, Rusty's getting away again. What will they do with that naughty old bull?
Oh no! Rusty's even further away from his food now. Hey, that barrel looks just like the ones for Macy's birds. Maybe Rusty will come in if I fill his trough like the chicken did.
Maya fills Rusty's trough. And look, Rusty's come all the way up the field for his food. Dadago is getting ready for some fishing. Mayago and RTÉjr are going to play on the swing. Oh no! What's this?
Dada, look! Our swing is broken.
Oh, no. That must have been from the storm last night, Maya.
Can you fix it for us?
I don't think so, Emily. Let me take a look. Oh, it snapped right in two.
Aww.
Why don't you both come fishing with me and Henry Fix instead? It'll be fun. You can even make your own fishing rod.
What will we make it out of?
We can make it out of that branch that fell off the tree. As the old saying goes, never refuse to reuse. Hand me that string, will you, Emily? That'll do the job. Now, you can share that one.
What are you going to use, Dada?
I'll be bringing this. I call it the Fisher King. Isn't it a beauty? It's hand-carved. Henry Fix is going to be very impressed when he sees it. I might even let him use it if he's lucky.
Can you come too, Mama?
I'm afraid I have to stay here with Sammy, Maya. You girls will have lots of fun fishing, though. And when you come back, I'll have some fish fingers for you.
No need, Mama. We'll be dining on fresh fish straight from the stream this evening.
Sounds delicious, Dada. Well, have fun, everyone.
Look, it's Henry Fix getting ready for a spot of fishing.
Hello, Dadago. Hello, girls. What a nice surprise. What's that, Henry? This is the Scavenger. It's the most futuristic fishing rod ever made. It has 4 fishing lines and makes noises that only fish can hear. It can also tell you all about the fish it's just caught on this little screen.
Wow.
What have you brought? Oh, this. Oh, it's just an old rod I had lying about. Whoa there, Scavenger. Whoa.
Time to catch some fish.
Come on, you lot. The fish won't catch themselves.
And now for our picnic adventure.
We're nearly at the park now. Ah, here we are.
We're here.
I'll get the picnic basket. Oh, no. Oh, I don't think I shut the boot properly. The picnic basket must have fallen out somewhere.
Oh, no. We need to find it.
We'll retrace our steps. Can you remember where we went, Maya?
I think so. The last place we went was the library.
It won't be at the library.
Well, there's no picnic basket here.
The next place we went to was the shop.
Or the shop, I'm afraid.
The picnic basket's not here either.
The very first place we stopped was the filling station.
Ah, you won't have much luck here, Dadago.
Oh, dear. It's not here either. It's lost. I'm very sorry, everyone.
It doesn't matter. Why don't we go home and have lunch there instead?
That's not the same as a picnic.
We'll do it again another day. And we did have quite an adventure looking for the basket.
And I got to help Dada.
And you did a very good job.
Finally, we're home.
I must have forgotten to put it in the boot. That's what happens when you rush.
But we found it. Hooray!
It's too late to go back to the park now.
Let's have the picnic right here, in our very own garden.
That's a wonderful idea, Maya.
Yummy.
Hands up who'd like a cup of lemonade.
I do! Lemonade, lemonade. Take the lemon, some sugar and water, it's so easy. Slice the fruit in half and go squeezy, squeezy. Lemonade, oh lemonade. Add some ice, it's so nice, let the lemonade flow. We all get to taste it thanks to Maya. Go! Lemonade, oh lemonade. Lemonade.
And your lemonade is ready. Time to try it.
That's delicious.
I wonder what Sammy thinks.
Lemonade!
I think Sammy likes it. Well done, everyone.
All of those lemons have made a lot of lemonade. We can't drink all of it. I have an idea. How about we make a lemonade stand? That's a great idea. Let's go!
Maya and her friends have made their stand, and they're ready for customers.
Where is everybody?
Well, here comes Betty Cone.
Hello, hello. Homemade lemonade. Lovely. I'll take a cup, please.
I wonder what Betty Cone will think of the girls' lemonade.
That is scrummy delicious.
Thank you. You're our first customer. There's nobody else around.
Don't you worry. I'll make sure everyone knows about your amazing lemonade. Best lemonade at Maya Go's house. Don't miss out.
Good old Betty Cone. She certainly knows how to spread the word. That was quick.
It looks like everyone wants some now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That hits the spot. Thank you.